I'm Officer Smith. Do you know why I pulled you over? Because you are jealous of my Toyota Prius driving 30 miles per hour in the fast lane of the freeway? Wrong. I want to blow up your car because your driving is annoying. Later today, I'm going downtown and will drive under the speed limit and then slam on the gas when the light turns yellow. I'm going to write you a ticket for that and never want to see you again. What is your name? My name is Instant Honker Person. I like to honk at you as soon as the light turns green. Please go. The light is now green. Go. Honk honk beep beep. What hole did you crawl out of? I hope your Prius falls off a cliff. Officer, please hold. I'm driving while talking on my cell phone, eating a cheeseburger, and putting on my lipstick. Can you hold my Diet Coke? No. Stop. No one likes you. Please go away and save the planet somewhere else and take your Prius with you, okay? Can I go now? I need to merge into traffic, but am going to stop, then put on my signal, then wait until there is a gap the size of Texas to merge into. And I will do it at the very last minute before my lane ends. I wish I could arrest you and save everyone else from having to deal with you. I ran out of gas on the highway. Can you help me? No, deal with it yourself. I'm leaving now to deal with other annoying drivers, okay? I'm going to pull out in front of speeding traffic and go very slow. Goodbye.